English class.
Send your resume to the HR department.
I attached my resume to the email. Your resume should include your work experience.
There is a job opening for a software engineer in ABL company. The company has a vacancy for a programmer.
The applicants are required to submit a resume.
The candidates are required to submit a resume.
Please complete the application form.
Teamwork skills are a requirement of the company.
Programming skills are a requirement for the position. The job requires problem-solving skills.
A degree in computer science is a prerequisite for this position. Applicants must meet all the requirements for the job.
You are qualified for the research position.
Thank you.
A computer science degree is an important qualification for this job. We have confidence that she can handle the position.
Lucy's experience makes her highly qualified for this job. Jack is known as a professional programmer. The manager interviewed almost 20 applicants.
The company expects to hire several new employees next month. We offer job training for new employees. You should list all your achievements in your resume.
The manager contacted your reference to check your work experience.
I understand. Thank you for letting me know.
AI-ABL-English.